underway with a good scattering of showers across many parts of the country. And there's been thunder reported recently across in Nottinghamshire and Lincolnshire. Here's some heavy rain though with thunder moving across Ireland. It's moving southeastwards at the moment. It's certainly bringing some wet and miserable weather, quite windy weather too, and that's pushing in towards the western coast of Wales just now. It's a low pressure system which is going to be pushing in across Wales and the West Country during the next few hours and then pulling away through the English Channel and the Channel Islands for the second half of the night. That'll leave many places fine, say for one or two showers around the coast, but with clearing skies it will turn chilly once again. Certainly a widespread ground frost across northern Britain, 2 to 4 degrees in the air there, about 5 to 8 degrees across the south, but it will certainly turn windy for a while down there across the far southwestern corner of England. So a nice bright start for many places tomorrow. Lots of sunshine around, a bit of mist and fog perhaps here and there, but not too much of that. Still one or two light showers around those coasts and one or two showers perhaps across the North Sea coast as well. Now it will tend to cloud over in the northwestern part of Britain later in the day as this weather system rattles in from the Atlantic, and that's certainly going to be quite a potent force, bringing gale force winds and heavy driving rain across Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland during the evening. Temperatures very much the same as they were today actually, about 17 degrees across central and southern parts of the country, and that's 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too much breeze around for a while. Across in Northern Ireland possibly up to 15, 12 to 14 across the northern half of Scotland. Well, that weather system then lining up across the country during Thursday. The potential for some fairly warm air actually on that southwesterly wind for a time on Thursday, the beginning of Friday. It'll soon be replaced by much colder and fresher weather from the northwest though as we go through Friday, and certainly for the weekend some quite blustery winds moving down across the country. A very showery scene indeed around these areas of low pressure which will be anchored up there to the north of the country. So very showery and colder weather to come for the weekend then. Now on Thursday a wet scene across Wales, Northern Ireland, Northern England and...
But there's an area of